guys, welcome again to another video. Maybe you see the title where converting a semi truck into a sweet home. Yes, in this truck, mm-mm. Let's start and let's don't waste more time. Zoom in. Okay, subscribe. We're on the subscribe car. Okay. Oh, okay. Ako lang ba? Okay, now we're gonna put light. One, two. Okay, we have a two. Now, I know it's still small, but let's try. This is the living room. Yan. Okay. No, we don't need a makeup table. Wait, guys. I'm very scared. Okay, guys. To, para mahap ang area, okay, is this good, guys, or no? No need? Yeah, you don't need it. Now, let's go to the table. Let's go choose. Let's go choose this one. Yeah. No, that's bad, right? Yes. Okay. Now we have a table. Yeah, parang nakuha ng space. Tapos we're gonna get 2 by 2. There you go. We have... Okay. Now let's go put the light, the small light here, the lamp. And the two light in here. Okay. We're not done yet. Okay, I'll choose this bed, guys, kasi maganda para kumain akong... There you go, maganda. And guys, the last part is the toilet. The very weird, but we can do it, guys. Don't worry. Trust my process. Okay, the toilet will be out here. Yep, now we're done making a semi-truck turn into a home. This is a living room. Yes, no TV, but you can play with your iPad or phone. May Wi-Fi din dito. Cabinet, food and bed and a CR. The kitchen, we will gonna order it. Okay, let's go travel it around Brookhaven. Okay. Look at them. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go to the Brookhaven's Diner. Kasi yun lang meron na parang, okay, bilisan natin, green light. Yes, okay, now we gotta turn right here. Big turn, yarn. Okay, kunin natin itong laki. Oh no, wait. Oh, I see my subscribe. Wait. Okay, lapit. Hello, can I order one piece chicken, one McFlurry, and with a ice cream vanilla, and spaghetti too, and Shanghai. Yeah, that's all. Okay. It's $35, guys. Okay, $35. Okay, look at yeah. Okay, wait. Oh, what happened? Bruh. Wait. Oh, no. No. We have a big problem, guys. We got big problem. We got stuck. Okay, sobra. Sobra. Kalalabas lang natin. Here you go. $45. Okay, let's go. Okay. I don't care. Green light. Let's go. Oh, this is a. Oh, wow. That's cool. Okay. No, no. Okay, okay. But I need to go there. But I need to go there. Never mind. I did it. Let's go annoy this girl. Let's go annoy this. Okay, no. That's not. Don't ban me, please. Why? I don't know what is that. Look, my toilet. My toilet's so weird. Very weird. Oh no. Okay, good idea. I got good driving skills. Lol. Maybe not. Okay, let's go to outside Brookhaven. Galaw. Ang tagal-tagal. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, ni hao, Mikey. Okay, guys. Is the truck can turn 360? Let's figure out. No, no brakes. There you go. Let's go road test. No, no. Okay, our trailer is shine like a diamond. Whoa. Okay, this is why I don't like big truck because like now we're here. Yes, maybe you say why we're here. Is this a cave? Yes, this is a cave. This is like a cave only for a trailer. Trailer, yes. Wait, wait. Ah, so hard to park. No. Okay. Wait, let's do it again. Let's go turn it again. I like the trees like going to you only. Okay, I turn. Okay. Kasi parang tagal. Dito na tayo daan. Kahit maliit. Wow, we fit? No way. Okay, let's go. So tight kasi guys, madaming tao pupunta dito mamaya. If you want to join in my video, because this upcoming video or upcoming video, I will gonna do. I need some more people to join. If you want to join in my video, comment your username. That's all. Okay, now let's go. Yes. Whoa, it's like, oh, nice. Because I don't want to people. Whoa. Okay, my turn is like a cut. Let's go. What will happen if you... Okay. Dito lalabas ang... Oh, yes. This is a table. Okay guys, that's all for the video. I wish you're very happy to my creativity of this thing. And thank you again for watching for another content. If you want to see more content, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget the most importantly, like and notification. Yeah, that's all. Thank you and peace out. Goodbye. And here's some money if you need it.